everybody, welcome to the Ladies of Justice League YouTube channel. Here we have is Romana of Virtual Ace, and she'll talk to you about her business and how they can help you grow.
Hi everybody, my name is Romana. I am the CEO and founder of Virtual Ace. We are a digital marketing agency providing all the services under the umbrella of a marketing agency. All of our services are done for you, and what we provide are services such as in digital marketing, such as content creation, website design, email management, paid ads for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google, and social media management as well. So we provide all these services. Some of our top clients and long-standing clients include Porsche and Makeup Eraser, but we work with different niches worldwide. And we have a big team of about 50 people right now nationwide as well.
So how would they get a hold of you? Do you have a website, phone number, or how do they look you up?
Yeah, absolutely. Our website is www.virtual-ace.com, and we are also on Instagram. Our Instagram channel is @virtualaceco. Yeah.
We do all the different social media, websites, things like that.
Yeah, absolutely. So for social media, we have a whole videography and photography team that can come out to you, and your social media is like your business card, right? So when people come to you, the first thing they see on your social media is going to try to tell them how experienced you are. So we want to make sure we have highly edited videos, some incredible content for you to post and reach a larger audience. So that's how we utilize social media for you.
What made you get into this business?
So I worked in commercial real estate for 8+ years. In the Philippines, we had a family business, and I always kind of ventured towards marketing. And so I realized during COVID, everything shut down, and I'm like, well, this is the best time to start my own business, and that's where we are here today. Yeah.
Thank you, Romana.
Thank you so much.
Can you repeat again your website and your phone number if they want to find out more?
Absolutely, Amy. My website is www.virtual-ace.com, and my phone number is 805-433-4101.
Excellent. Everybody, check out our YouTube channel, ladiesofjusticeleague.com, and basically you can find more information and tools to help you save money and save time. All right, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share.
Thank you. Thank you, Amy. I appreciate it. That was really cool.